Smart way to peel a pomegranate. Usually this top portion that you see, you will start by placing cuts like what I am doing here. So basically you'll have to place very slight cuts. See that the cuts are not too deep, else the juice will run out. Place the cuts, and by the time the cut comes to an end, it will start looking like a pentagon or hexagon in this way. And once you're through with the cutting, you will have to try to remove the top part. So the top part you can use your finger, try pulling it slowly off like this, and then pull it off completely in this way. So once the top portion is out, there 2 of them came out, 2, 3. Okay, now can you see this place where you can see the white part? There are 5 sections of it, 5-6 sections. You have to place cuts vertically on the lines of that white part. So once you are done placing cuts in this way, this needs to be a little deep. Even if the juice runs out, don't worry. Then you will try to loosen it up in this way. And once you have loosened it up, try to remove the middle portion here. And then it's quite easy. Just remove all the pomegranate seeds in this way. Isn't it easy? Very simple and easy way to peel a pomegranate. If you liked it, then please do leave in a comment and do not forget to share it with others. I'll see you next time with many more tips, tricks and hacks on Tip Lab. Bye.